So check it out. All new phone mounts for the U10 Pro. We have a driver side version and even a passenger side, so we can keep everybody in the cab happy. You can do it in a charging model. This wirelessly charges your phone while keeping it hella secure. This one is the non-charging model and allows for nice, quick and easy. Pop it in, secure hold. Let everybody watch the videos of the trail. So if you're interested in one of these phone chargers for your U10 Pro, check it out, thumperfab.com. Find a dealer near you and get your U10 thumped out. On the inside, on the outside, we got you covered.